Hi, Alex here. I thought I'd do a quick video walkthrough of this customer timesheet for 2026 to show you how it works, give you a feel for what you're going to get from it. So a few tabs here. The overview tab, pretty self-explanatory. It's an overview of the spreadsheet. It gives you hints of how to use it. The summary tab, this has a graph that builds up over time of the hours worked and then the quarterly averages you're working for a particular customer. The timesheet, this is kind of where the fun happens. On this sheet you put the date, a task reference, maybe some notes, and the times that you work for the customer. This is the first of two pivot tables. This one drives the summary sheet at the front. It calculates how many hours per month you're working for the customer, and then it calculates also the quarterly average. Hours per task by month. This is the pivot table that I use when I'm generating the invoices. I can see this gathers the information by month and by task and by hours, and I can give that information into the invoicing. It keeps it transparent for the customer. Let's put some information in so you can kind of see how it works in reality. So there's a date. Let's give it a ticket reference and a little bit of a note. Let's say I work from 10 o'clock until maybe 1:30 in the afternoon. So 3 hours 30 minutes or 3.5 hours. If we update the pivot table, okay, we can see there. So in January, I've worked 3.5 hours and the quarterly average is just over an hour per month. And then here, this starts to build up information that I'm going to put on the invoice. Let's put some more stuff in. 26. So maybe the same ticket, more work. $10.50. And let's also bring in a new ticket so you can see how the tables build themselves up. Okay, so there's some more information. Refresh the pivot table. Okay, so now it's calculated that in January I've worked in total 6 3/4 hours. The quarterly average is now 2 hours, 2 1/4 hours per month on average. And we can see these rows are building up nicely. And I'll put these as invoice rows so the customer can see exactly where the money is going. And the summary, yeah, so now we can see the summary graph is building up. We can see how many hours per month and what the quarterly hours are. So this is a tool that I use regularly for all my customers. It's saved me so much time. It's really valuable. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me. I'm really happy to take comments, feedback, answer questions anytime.